Your Excellency, friends, colleagues, I agree with Your Excellency. I'm Welsh by birth. So if you know anything at all about the Welsh climate, it is sunny for 3 days here, only go out and take a picture. The rest of the time is rain. So you're absolutely guaranteed today for it to rain. And I'm going to enjoy it. I've been with the World Trade Center for the best part of 18 years. And that's how long we in the Chamber have been cooperating together. But our work with the food and beverage cluster has really been a game changer in terms of moving things forward. They've been very helpful to us in channeling industry feedback, for consolidating that market requirement and market intelligence, and helping us shape an exhibition industry and event structure that supports the leadership's ambition to put UAE at the centre of the food universe. 10 years ago, we met, I think, probably in these rooms, and we were testing this idea, because I always thought there should be a manufacturing show for the food industry. All the big events were happening in Europe, and I have a legacy of working in manufacturing events. And I always think the manufacturer, it's the wealth creation part of the economy, the unseen and unsung heroes of that. And it was difficult research. I was actually saying it was the world's worst research. A third of the people we asked said it was a good idea, and a third said it would be a bad idea, and a third were absolutely in shock. But actually, with our friends in the know, we decided to launch this event. And it was the single biggest trade show launch of any vertical ever to take place in the UAE. And after 10 editions, it now competes with some of the mega triennial events that take place in Europe. That's how quickly things have moved. 2 years ago, we were looking at some of the challenges that we had with the Gulfood exhibition. It is one of the probably most successful trade shows. It's a transactional trade show. Real business is conducted there, and volumes that can actually move economies. I remember when President Chile brought Walnuts to the event for the first time with their first national pavilion. It was only a real 60 square meter stand, and there were 10 companies sharing. And their global exports of walnuts moved up by percentage points as a direct result of their participation. Success stories like that helped us grow the show into a 5,000 visitor behemoth, where demand massively outstrips supply. So we were delighted when the next city, the Dubai Exhibition Centre, opens, which is a $10 billion investment in building a new exhibition infrastructure that we can grow into. And the Gulfood edition that will be taking place in January, 26th of January. The Gulfood edition there is not moving to Dubai Exhibition Centre. It is expanding to. It will go in size. It will go from 100,000 to 240,000 square meters. We have a really solid plan as to how we can make that an effective experience. I would say the mise en porte was more cerebral, far too small. We've now moved them into the Sheikh Zayed Halls and Trade Centre in Riyadh, but that's an increase of 350%. So the show now has depth to go with breadth, and it has the space to make it a much more pleasant visiting experience. We wouldn't be able to make these transitions and these huge leaps forward in our event industry structure without the support of the Chamber, without the support of the French like Salary, and the leadership committee and conversations that we have with the. So my role here today was just to say thank you very much for your support. Really appreciate it. To ask you to come and visit the exhibitions in January, and Vahid will have free hosts here to join us as our VIP complimentary guests. And we look forward to your continued support and looking at a fantastic day. And enjoy the rain.